Hi everyone, my name is Madison and I work for the city of Anaheim, and I am back with a quarantine craft for you guys to do with supplies you luckily have around the house. Before we get started, we want to make sure we're staying safe and healthy by washing our hands for at least 20 seconds. Once we have all that done, we can go ahead and get started on our craft for today, which is a fun flower pot pour. It's going to get messy, but it's a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get started. Get ready, this one's about to get really messy. So the first thing you're gonna want for this craft is a tablecloth, newspaper, or anything that's gonna help keep your table nice and clean. And don't worry, if you don't have a flower pot, you can use a plastic or paper cup. Those will work perfectly fine just as well. Next, you're also gonna want at least 3 paint colors of your choice, a couple different size paint brushes. Next, you want to place your pot upside down. So first things first, we're going to go and start with a base color, and I'm going to choose blue. All I'm going to do is paint the entire flower pot blue. This is optional, but if you do that, make sure to wait about 10 minutes for the paint to dry before you continue. What I like to do is have some music in the background, or maybe you have parents or siblings that might want to help you out. That could be fun as well. Another good idea is to start thinking about what you might want to be planting in your pot. You might have to do a couple layers and coats of the paint to make sure that it gets covered all the way. Now, we slowly want to pour the first paint color around the rim of the pot. You can see dripping all the way around the pot. All right, moving on to our next color. And we're just going to continue this process with as many colors as you would like. And one last color, I think I will use orange. Once you're done, you want to wait about 30 minutes to let the entire thing dry. If it's still wet after that, maybe wait another 30 minutes. All right, so that is our flower pot paint pour, and you can kind of see the cool effect that it gave. Great job, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you next time. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family, and most importantly, stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you next time.